To format text in Word, put italic and underline. Open your Word document. Open Microsoft 365. Then select your document. For example, this document. And then look in sentence you want to bold, for example, and then tap bold icon to bold or tap again to unbold. Okay. If you cannot find bold icon, italic and underline, select home. For example, if you tap in insert or other tab, you cannot find a bold icon, tap home, and then you can see bold, italic, and underline. Okay. You can also tap drop down menu and then select underline you want. Example. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.